What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, as you guys can tell, I do have my good friend Steve right here, the one with the green Rav4. So make sure to check him out, description box below. But I'm gonna go ahead and let him explain what he's doing here.
All right, guys, so this is gonna be a three-part video that we're gonna do for you guys, and I'm gonna be upgrading the sound system in my Rav4 today with some Scar Audio products.
Heck yeah, look how durable that thing is. Woo, yeah, let's go.
Hey guys, so I have everything that I bought laid out here as far as like the speaker and amp wise. So I do have a pair of 3.5-inch coaxial speakers. I have 2 pairs of the 6.5s, and I have a 4-channel amp to power everything. Now I didn't go with the sub today because I am trying to keep the car somewhat light and I don't really have a spot big enough to put it. So I did just go with just the speakers, but these I feel like are gonna add a lot more clarity. It's gonna be louder, and they are pretty bassy. I might discover these guys, I want to say, when did I have the Versa, Jesse?
Like 2 years ago, a year ago.
Yeah, and they're great. I had a full system in them, and they're great.
It was badass. And a year later, he has that.
Yeah, I really recommend you guys checking them out. I know a lot of people use the JBLs for the 3.5s on the dash, but like I said, I really like Scar Audio, so we're gonna go with those.
Heck yeah. So let's go ahead and now get to it, unbox them, and show you guys. Make sure to stay tuned, of course, to the upcoming videos. Like we said, this one's gonna be today's video, and then of course the door speakers will be the second part, and then the amplifier will be the third part. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Hey guys, so as we stated before, this is gonna be a 3-part video. Today we're gonna be doing the 3.5-inch speakers that are in the dashes on the Rav4. So first off, we're just going to do a little unboxing for you guys, show you what I got. So that's what you get when you first unbox it.
Damn, that's a nice box.
Now, as I said, these are the 3.5-inch speakers that go for the dash.
60 watts RMS.
Now you do get a sticker, a little spec sheet with this.
Damn, just check out that magnet, you guys. Man, that's a cool looking speaker.
Here you guys go.
Damn, just check it out.
I just said, yeah, that is a pretty sizable magnet.
The magnet's almost bigger than the freaking speaker. Check that out, you guys. Heck yeah.
Now we do want to do like a little before and after sound test for you guys, just so we can see the difference of just adding little speakers like this makes. So let's go in the car and let's check it out before.
All right, you guys, so right now we're inside his Rav4. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of listen to the speakers, so that way, at least for us, we could kind of see the difference if it was worth it or not. Of course, once we do the actual amplifier upgrade to it, it is gonna sound better, but we just want to kind of see like a back-to-back difference, stock speakers versus those 3.5s. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
Just for comparison's sake. Oh no, let's hope that's not copyrighted. Okay, so just stop playing music. Hey guys, and just for comparison's sake, I do want to let you guys know we do have the radio set at the 40 level, just so that way we can compare apples to apples between these speakers. We're not going to change the sound setting. Both of them are going to be at level 40 on the dash. All right, let's take a listen. Let's get to some bass. Now let's do a max volume test, just so we can like hear any distortion, because as you guys know, if you max anything out, you will hear some distortion and some bass loss. So let's do that.
Well,
gotta say, for a
stock,
for a factory
yeah,
non-upgraded to JBL system,
it sounds pretty good.
It does actually.
All right, so let's go ahead and show you guys just exactly how to uninstall these stock ones and put the brand new ones in. Let's go.
All right guys, so this is a super easy install if you have the right tools. Now one thing I will recommend that you guys get is this harness adapter for the dash speakers. The one that we have is from Red Wolf. I found it on Amazon. Links in the description box below. I'm sure you can find other ones if you just look, if you don't want to get this one, but like I said, we will have that in the description box. You are going to need a plastic trim removal tool, and also a 10mm socket on a wrench. Alternatively, you can use a short Phillips head screwdriver also. Now let's get into it.
Oh yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and start off with the passenger side first, just so we can show you a little better.
So what you're gonna do is you just get your plastic removal tool there, just like that. Just kind of go around it, and just like that, it pops out. There's 2 clips here, and then these hooks in the end, so it goes in. Here are the 2 bolts that we are gonna have to remove. As I said, they are Phillips head, but you can also use the 10, which we're gonna be doing today. There's 2. I'll put those somewhere safe. Then we have our door speaker out. Now this is gonna be a tight fit, but let me see if I can twist this around for you guys. See, the clip that you're gonna be removing is that right there, that little push tab. You guys probably can't see this, but you're gonna push that in right here, as you can see, and then just pull the speaker out. Well, what do you guys think is gonna sound better, just off the bat?
That one's gonna be the best.
You know what, Jesse? Sometimes I usually say size don't matter, but
in this case it does.
In this case, I think it does. All right, guys. So now at this point, we're gonna get our harness adapter.
And the reason you get that harness adapter is to make it for a plug and play. If you guys don't get that, you guys are gonna have to do some splicing, and I don't think you're gonna want that, especially on a brand new vehicle like this.
That's right. So first thing I'm gonna do, because these push terminals are a little tougher to get on sometimes, so I'm gonna put these on. Now, as you can see, they are different sizes. There is gonna be a small one on the harness and a bigger one. But, so it's kind of difficult to mess this up. You just push it on, get the little plastic protector over it. Oops.
Just don't
push
break
it too hard. Then that one's on there, and boom, just like that.
And now we have a plug and play.
Connect this, just line up the tab there till you hear the click. Now we just shove all this into lay dash.
That's a big magnet.
Yeah, that's kind of the only downside of having big magnets.
You wish you had something big, huh?
I do sometimes.
Yeah, we all do. We could only dream.
Sometimes.
Oh, okay.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put one of the screws in, just kind of help me line it up, because as you guys did see, the magnet is pretty massive, so it's kind of hard to get it in. So I'm just gonna start one side by hand, and then I'll use that to help me line up the other side.
And this camera is heavy, so sorry if I'm shaking.
Yeah, Jesse's not the strongest
of the crowd
fella out there. Yep. All right, guys, so now that the bolts are in, we screw this in. So as you guys can see now, Scar audio speaker installed. It's a well, it's not a perfect fit, but it's in. And now we just reinstall our cover here. Like I said, you use the 2 little fingers in the back first, and then just pops in just like that.
Super simple, nothing too hard.
Now let's get to the other side, guys.
Hell yeah.
Okay, guys, now just show exactly how easy these are to install. I'm gonna have Jesse do my driver's side.
I'm scared.
I already drilled and cut this car, took an air hammer to it. Jesse, I think it's fine.
Okay then, if you say so.
JesseRizo is here for you.
Look at this guy.
Which guy?
This guy right here, you.
Oh, hey.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, now. Like I said, it's super simple.
All right, speakers in, Jesse. Now what?
Speakers are in. Now you put the little 2 legs that are back here, and make sure your little red clips are there. And let's go ahead and put the legs in first, just like that. Super easy. Super easy, and then snap this in. Whee!
There you go.
Now let's go ahead and listen to this brand new tweeter setup.
All right, guys, so now we're gonna do a listen test now. Same thing, we're gonna do first with the volume at 40, and then we're gonna hit it at max volume just to see, just to compare the differences. Now
See if it distorts.
Yeah, that too. All right, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, that's at 40.
That's not 40.
Oh, that's not 40? Oh,
That's 40.
okay, that's at 40. No difference at 40. No. Like, these speakers were made pretty well, but I don't think I hear a difference.
I don't think so either.
Maybe a tiny bit more bass.
Let's see, go full volume.
All right, let's go full volume now, guys. There might be a little bit more than more bass. Oh, dude, I feel like the bass is a lot better.
Yeah.
The mirrors are starting to move now too.
Oh, yeah.
They weren't doing that before. Hey, so there is quite a bit more bass, guys.
Yeah.
You couldn't see it in the camera, but before my outside mirrors weren't moving.
No, and another
Now
thing
they
too,
are.
when we went full volume, it sounds still crispy compared to like with the stock ones.
Yeah, like the
It
stock
sounded
one
like-
still sounded real good.
Yeah, but it
Don't
was.
get me wrong, but it just wasn't like as bassy,
I can't wait to hear it with the amp though,
right?
and all the door speakers.
Hell yeah.
Heck yeah. So if you guys want to go ahead and get yours, description box below, we've linked, of course, the harness and the speakers there. So stay tuned for that next video. Like we said, we still have 2 more parts to go. If you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yeah.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.